Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to create collections in our Shopify store. In our previous video, we covered the steps to add products to our Shopify store. If you missed that tutorial, I encourage you to give it a watch. Now shifting our focus to products, you can observe here that we already added a few products, right? Let's go and create the collections. Okay, let's go to collection, create collection. I'll just keep it manual for now. And since we have four products for now, right? Sweatshirt, t-shirt, zipper bottle and tote bag. So what I'll do, I'll create four collections for now. Sweatshirt and save it. Okay. Create one more. T-shirt, save it. Zipper. We need to create one more for tote bag. Okay, now if we go to collections, we can see we have four collections here. Let's say you created some collections by mistake and you want to delete it, right? That also we can do here. Let's try to add maybe just ABC, right? Let's go to collection and select that. Just delete the collection. Okay, now we have all four collections created here, right? Let's go to products. Let's select sweatshirt and add to collection. I'll add this to sweatshirt collection. Let's save it. Now select t-shirt, add to collection, add it to t-shirt. Select tote bag, add collection. I'll add it to tote bag. And the last one is zipper bottle, so I'll just add it to zipper. Perfect. Let's go to online store. Customize. Add section, collection list, and let's select sweatshirt, then t-shirt. Next one I'll select zipper, add one more collection, tote bag. Okay, let's come to collection list. So now it's up to you. If you want to keep two collections, right, in two basically two columns on your page, you can change it to two. It would appear like this. If you want to keep one, you can keep like this. It's up to you. How do you want to customize your Shopify store, right? If you want to change some background color of these collections, you can update like this, right? If you happen to have more collections, you can add as many collections as you want, right? So that's all about collections. Stay tuned. We are going to add next video on pages and navigations. Thank you and have a great day.